Greetings everyone and welcome to Coffee Black, where the Voyager adventures continue on YouTube. I'm your host, Captain G, and this is the channel where we talk anything and everything Star Trek Voyager related, from trivia, news, reviews, and more. So before I get started on today's topic, I'd like to encourage new viewers to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also check us out on X, formerly known as Twitter, and visit our Facebook page for more Voyager content. So today is Model Monday, and as such I'll be doing a Diecast model review of the Eaglemoss brand. Today's model is the XL Delta Flyer. Alright, so today we have the XL Delta Flyer. From what I understand, this is a really huge model. Looking forward to opening it up and seeing how it looks. Comes in a large blue box similar to the XL Voyager. Shows Hero, Collector Eaglemoss logo, all the Star Trek related logos. Another shot of the Delta Flyer. Very cool. I managed to find this one on Amazon for a pretty decent price. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's a sticker and a tab here. Alright, awesome. It comes with a magazine. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's a special issue magazine. Some really good shots of the Delta Flyer. Very, very cool. I actually kind of prefer these mid-sized magazines. I kind of wish they made everything that way. Eaglemoss has a tendency to make a lot of different sized magazines, apparently. Some very cool sketches. I'm not 100% sure, but I think this is a completely different magazine compared to the regular sized Delta Flyer that we had. I'll have to take a look real quick, but I'm pretty sure the magazines are completely different. Really, really cool sketches. I really like this magazine. That is awesome. And a little segment about the Aero Shuttle, too. Nice. Very, very cool. Of course, it shows the Delta Flyer on the back. Alright, the big reveal. White styrofoam covering it. Whoa. There she is. I'm going to go ahead and get everything out of here. Base and the stand. And the model itself. There we are. Delta Flyer. Looks very similar to the regular Delta Flyer stand, just larger, obviously. Let's check out the model. Very, very cool. The attention to detail is really neat, and this is, I mean, maybe a little bit of plastic here, but almost all of it is metal, which is really great. Detail on it is just incredible. Very, very cool. See, it says Delta Flyer right there. Voyager's registry number on the side there, right here, and underneath. And this is just huge in size. I can't wait to compare it to the XL Voyager in a second here, because it lives up to the hype. It is definitely huge. All right, let's put her on the stand. Okay, well, I think it'll stay okay. Makes me a little nervous though, because it really weighs down the plastic that's holding it in place, because this is a really heavy model. So I'm not entirely convinced that this is going I don't know. I'm not entirely convinced that this is going to keep this model safe. I kind of think that in my future I see this stand breaking on me. We'll see. I haven't had that happen yet, but I just don't know, because this is an extremely heavy model as well. I kind of think they needed to create a stronger stand. Still looks really, really neat. Very cool. I'm going to go ahead, grab the XL Voyager just for size comparison. I mean, wow. I thought the XL Voyager was huge and impressive, and it is, but Delta Flyer XL is extremely large. Very cool. Very, very cool. I'm going to take the XL Voyager out here. Oh, the stand did not come with it. Just for size comparison with the regular Delta Flyer. Wow. I'm just about speechless. I'm practically speechless. Yeah, just so incredible. Definitely happy to have this as part of my collection. I actually have big plans for this model. I'm not going to tell you guys what I'm planning to do with it just yet, but I'm looking forward to the future of this model, that's for sure. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. We do Model Monday videos every Monday. So that's all. Take care, live long and prosper.